Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today is iPhone Day, September 19th, and I just came back from the Apple Store. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. I'm hyped for this one. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. I did have to go with that new colorway because the other two colorways are, it's kind of weird. But if you guys don't like orange, you guys just have to look around. It's about to be Halloween season. I got my Ghost on deck that has a pumpkin. I got my Fanta Zero Sugar, and I have these brand new Jordans that I just picked up, the shattered backboards. If you guys are not familiar, just had to put that on the video since this is an orange month. But this is the phone itself. As you can see, you do have the orange Apple right there. You have the iPhone logo right here, and I do have my IMEI covered up so I could actually show you guys the boxes. As you can see from here, very typical of Apple. But as far as my experience, I went to the Apple Store. So many people had reservations. There was lines for the non-phones where they want the Apple Watches and a whole bunch of other stuff. But I'm glad that I'm finally back. I had an appointment at like 12:45, and I probably went in around like 1 o'clock, and I got there around 12:30. So it took about 30 minutes to actually trade in my 16 Pro Max and all that good stuff. But if you guys are just here for the unboxing, let's just start this baby and I'll give you my first impressions. Now, as far as the other phones that I did see, I wasn't that impressed with the iPhone Air, to be honest. It does give me that iPhone XR type vibes where it's different, but it's just not the Pro Max for me. But let's just see exactly how this phone looks in person. I did actually see a version of it in the store, but this is obviously going to be mine. Boom. Here we go. We got that Fanta shattered backboard pumpkin iPhone 17 Pro Max on deck. And if you guys haven't seen the pictures, I have been seeing that the new aluminum takes dents and it does actually scratch a little bit. So if I was you, I would definitely get the Apple Care, or if you guys like to use cases like myself, then you should get one. But as far as the way it looks, it does have a little bit of heft in the hand pause, but I am definitely digging the colorway. If you guys want to see it next to the Fanta, very similar, and you always got to get that zero sugar. As far as what you get in the packaging, as you can see, very minimal. You do have your braided Type-C to Type-C cable, and you do have your start guide. You don't get the Apple stickers no more, but you get a little start guide here. It would be nice to have an orange Apple sticker or something. But as far as the phone itself, very nice. It does have that matte type of look to it. Aluminum. I'm kind of weirded out how they made this line. It's kind of like an imprint of like a MagSafe charger, if you guys feel what I'm saying. But I do like the new camera setup, and now you're actually able to see if you have the brand new iPhone. Yes, that's how it is sometimes. You really don't even know if you have a 13 or a 16 Pro, and this will definitely differentiate what kind of iPhone you have. Close that up. So let's pop this out, and there you go. Let's start it up. I definitely have to set this up because I have a backup that's over 400 gigabytes. Alright, so as part of the features that were upgraded, you do have a bigger battery, you have a better computer chip, and you do have better cameras on the front and the back, which is definitely why I wanted to get the Pro Max and not the Air and not the regular 17. But if you guys had to go on with one, I would definitely go with either the Pro or the Pro Max. But if you guys are on a budget and you guys just need a regular iPhone that'll take great pictures and it does have the value, best bang for your buck, I would definitely go with the iPhone 17. But as far as this, let's power it on. You do have the same keys from the last device, and here we go, guys, the iPhone 17 Pro Max and all of its glory. Alright, so we are now booted up. As you guys can see, the iPhone 17 Pro Max definitely digging the look of this. Very different. And if I did have to do a colorway with this, I would definitely get a green case, or if you want to do like a Halloween theme, you could do like white and orange and black, how that is right there in the corner. But definitely looks like a banger for this year. And I will definitely have more case videos on the channel, accessories. If you guys want to see more videos, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you guys made it this far, you guys are the best. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone 17 Pro Max and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.